Training akong takyo, guys, oh. Tiyo. Oh, kamang. Sinong daw ni? Simusun na siya. Oh, pak, kinabila. Oh, pak. Sabi, pupot ganda sa mga. Iyay, iyay, iyay. Oh, oh, pupot. Ah, sudan ng mga training, ha. Kamang, kumang ito. Surah. Ito may ligo. Nandun ba? Ligo na. Lumuha ay marunong naglutas hangin. Eh, kanto bumba. Marunong libanga ng termina. Libang. Oh, to this video, I will show you takyo. Yes. Request ko na niya yung mga trainer how to train hard. And she work very hard, and together with hard training is not easy because the skin and your face is going to black because this very init in here. It's going to walk another. Meow, come on, man, faster. Oh, takyo is very po. Return around, slow motion. And where are you going? To find some people kontra. Isandig pas babuhay. Yay. Kana yung pusil yan. Sige pusil yan. Yay. Gisi ng puroy ni mo ro. No, lokot na. Inon bitaw ko. Patay nan, igo ka nan. Tirahan ka na. This is a bungtod, guys. Mura nang bungtod sa muang sitio Bantolinaw, Sugod. Kita kang dagat pero layo kay na. Sorry sa medre. Because the view is overlook. And going to walk. Emo kabalaka kung asa padong kay. Padong gyapon may malibang ron. We're going to tae in here because no people in here. See that? This is a view, is very beautiful view. Very banwa in here. And you see that this is a sea. Takyo is searching his money because drop it. We're going to ligid in here. Oh. Nahulog yung kuha niya. Pira. She is searching right now. Na makita. Daube na. Hindi makita. Kung ako'y wakwak, di ko ano mga tigwang. Rekos mga chicks. Chicks may wakwakon. Ang ngayon wakwakon. Scared to be a wakwak because kanindot na maglupad-lupad ka sa hangin and searching someone chicks and you found it. We're going to crack it. Yeah, of course. Ako na yung mga kauban, padoon ng mga mauli. So, let's uli together. Try lang namin. Wala mang magawa dito eh. Pag walang vlog, lakad-lakad lang. Huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe sa aming YouTube channel, guys, Suguran Vlog. And kung comment at like, kung pa-shoutout ka, comment lang. Thank you.